So my name is Ron Yekatiel, co-founder and CEO of Kaltura. And if you missed the session that was here yesterday, I'm here to show you a little bit of the things that we've just been releasing and talking about. I know there's a lot of vendors in the OVP space, and sometimes it's confusing to understand the differences between all these offerings. So one of the obvious ways to check is to look at the feature sets that are available. Do you have better analytics? Do you have better ingestion, etc.? What we'd like to show on the Kaltura side is not only that we have all these feature sets, but there's something categorically different by the way of us being an open source shop that is really providing something else entirely into the table. And specifically, there are two major points that I want to stress and show. One is flexibility, and the second is security and the ability to control everything. So flexibility and control. Let's see two of these things in play here in the features that we show. So you can look here at the regular content management console that we have that has content information, the ability to build a player on the fly, settings to define different things, analytics, and all these scenes you've seen in other OVPs. Two things that we've released earlier this month are one, full support of Silverlight, and two, full support of HTML5. You can see how easy it is in our system. Any of the videos that you upload, you can define if you want it running on the smooth streaming protocols, and then by choosing the actual player, you can choose if you want a Flash player, a Silverlight player, a JW player. In this case, I've picked a Silverlight player, and you can see here that it's ready to go. The actual thing is running on Silverlight, and if you grab the embed code and put it on your site, you have a full Silverlight solution on the fly available by the company. Here's another solution, an example of an MBA site that is going HTML5. You can see here the video running on the system. You can actually play the video, have it running anywhere else, HTML5 page, etc. What we've shown there is the ability to write the code once and publish it to any device that you'd like out there. There's no need to rewrite the solution for the iPad, for the iPhone, for Silverlight, for Flash. We have one wrapper code that you as a publisher decide automatically if you want it running on the iPhone or on the Android, or if you want it running on a certain browser, a certain way, it's configured on the fly. Second thing I want to show you is how the flexibility that we provide goes beyond just being agnostic to all these technologies, but how we could foster innovation coming up from all over the ecosystem. Earlier this month, we launched the Kaltura Application Exchange. We call it the Kaltura Exchange. In the Kaltura Exchange, third-party developers could actually present, upload, and share different apps that they could run on the Kaltura infrastructure. What's beautiful about it is that these systems, once uploaded, could run without any development even, integrated within our own consoles. And let me show you an example. I'm going to go here and show you one of these extensions. It's a company called 3Play Media. I'm going to click on screenshots. What they've done, it's a group from MIT that have enabled functionality of audio to text. And you can see here automatically they have a transcription process that highlights all the words, and then you could click on keywords and search and jump automatically to where you want it. Now, that's not necessarily new, although most of the OVPs don't have it. The beauty about it is we needed to develop zero, and this all runs completely and entirely supportive of the Kaltura infrastructure, and you can see that running today. What I leave you is with this thought, that where we stand today, people have a build versus buy dilemma. So far, what they've built, they had to build entirely alone, or if they bought, they had to buy a proprietary system that is only SaaS enabled with a third-party vendor. We now bring a middle option between build and buy. That middle option enables you, first and foremost, to get the benefit of owning the code, being able to integrate that easily into your own solutions, having a real option in the future to add additional technology, hosted behind your own firewall without needing to do everything alone. Having this stack support you through the process. In fact, we didn't invent that. MySQL did that for video. Linux did this for operating system. Kaltura is a company that's doing that for video, and as much as disruption as the other companies have brought by way of these other areas, we're bringing in the area of video, and that is why we have 60,000 sites already using our tools. It's an order of magnitude more than everybody else combined and then some. Most of the companies are happy to announce they have 500 customers. We have 60,000 users across media, across education, across enterprise, across healthcare, and the reason is they could easily take what we do and integrate that to a lot of different things that they use. That's a disruption of Kaltura. We invite everybody to go to Kaltura.com, try a free trial, or go to Kaltura.org and download the whole code for free and play with it. Or just contact us. We'll be happy to help you for any of the solutions that you require. Thank you.